Hey everyone, what's going on? Eli here from Deep Discounts Club. Today I'm bringing you a look at this Mongoose Colton 27.5 inch mountain bike. As you can see, it's a very stylish bike. I actually just upgraded the pedals on these to these Fuker pedals, and the thing is just amazing looking. It has super wide tires. This ensures great traction, great control on mountain biking trails. It's also got disc brakes, as you can see right there. Very important this day and age to have those. I really like the seat, nice and cushiony, and it has nice reflectors in the front, nice reflector in the back, and I even added this light right here for riding around at night that also has tracking, so I can track the location of this bike at all times. And then again, it's got that front suspension as expected. I took off a decal right here that has the Mongoose website. I also took off like a disclaimer kind of decal right there. But otherwise, I left everything else because I think it looks nice that way. It was super easy to set up, by the way. All I had to do was just attach one of the wheels, the front wheel, and then I also had to put the handlebars on and put the seat on, and then also put the pedals on. So it's all pretty basic. It can take someone just about 15 to 20 minutes to put it all together. Then you're ready to go. This thing handles very nicely for the price. You really can't beat it. Thanks for watching.